Do you know why native Arabic speakers instantly know you are a foreigner? Even if your pronunciation is almost perfect. Listen to these two Arabic sentences. أنا بدي روح على السوق اليوم. أنا بدي روح على السوق اليوم. Which one sounds more natural? If you choose the second one, you are right. Now here's the surprising part. The pronunciation was correct in both sentences. So why did the first one sound foreign? Let's find out. One of the biggest differences between native speakers and learners is the melody. Many learners raise their voice on one word, then lower it on the next, then raise it again, as if every word has its own melody. Native speakers don't usually do that. They keep the pitch much more similar throughout the whole sentence. Forget the word, feel the melody of my voice. Listen. فكرتك جاي بكرة. فكرتك جاي بكرة. Nothing changed except the melody. Let's try another one. هو راح يشوفك بكرة. هو راح يشوفك بكرة. One more. أنا بدي آكل بيتزا. أنا بدي آكل بيتزا. So here's the rule. Don't raise and lower your voice on every word. Keep the pitch similar throughout the whole sentence. Think about the whole sentence, not each individual word. One sentence, one melody. This was Secret 1. Now it's your turn. Try it yourself. Record your voice, then tell me in the comments if you could hear the difference. See you in the next lesson.